Hey guys, so today we're going to make apple turnovers for your pony. You're going to start with 2.5 cups of oat flour, half cup applesauce, quarter cup molasses, 2 tablespoons of oil, 1.5 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 cup water. Mix until combined and then roll out your dough. Start by cutting 3-inch circles and then placing them on a non-stick pan. Next, cut an apple into tiny cubes and place it into 1/2 of the circle. You can add cinnamon if you like for an extra flavor, then use a fork to press the edges down, poke some holes and bake on 350 for 30 minutes. Once your turnovers are done, start working on the glaze. That's just powdered sugar and water. Stir until the desired consistency and then drizzle on top. And that's it. Super simple and delicious. Your pony will love them. And don't be afraid to take a bite too.